I'm Carl Anthony, and welcome to AutoSens, the world's leading community for ADAS and autonomous vehicle technology development. We create best-in-class events, training, and information to connect engineers, scientists, and many other automotive industry experts across the globe. We are joined today by Patrice Roulet, Vice President, Technology, and co-founder of Immervision. Patrice leads the engineering team and contributes to IP growth and the adoption of Immervision's technology by global corporations. Joining us here on AutoSens is Patrice Roulet. And Patrice, welcome and glad to see you today.
Good morning, Carl, and likewise, glad to see you today, and I really appreciate this opportunity to join AutoSens and answer a few questions and present what we do at Immervision.
Yes. So, Patrice, we talked to you back in late 2020, but tell us, for our viewers who may just be meeting you for the first time, who maybe didn't see our first interview, tell us about Immervision and tell us about your automotive expertise.
So first about Immervision. So we are a company specialized in the design of wide-angle technology and essentially cameras, but also the extension of cameras like LiDAR and all those components that require optics. So we are very expert in wide-angle design and imaging. And talking about automotive specifically, so back in 2008, we designed the first camera module, so super wide-angle camera module. With smart pixel management. So I will explain what is smart pixel management, but this module at that time was very innovative, including freeform component to create augmented resolution in certain areas. Since then, we developed multiple camera system and perception system for different industries like aerospace, space exploration, aircraft, for the industrial application, up to the very tiny module for smartphones.
Right. So, Patrice, you've got experience in these other industries as well, along with automotive. So, when you bring everything to the table, tell us how you do that. How do you bring all of this experience together and bring it to the table for the automotive industry to provide solutions?
So we see more and more that there is a convergence in needs for multiple industries. So, for example, smartphone was the first to have this need of miniaturizations and large volume production at low cost. So this is one expertise that we bring to the table, not only to smartphone industries, but to the different industry that we are working on. So, for example, automotive can leverage this to create innovative lens that combines miniaturization and low cost from smartphone application and really reliabilities and from aerospace or space exploration. So touching all those different industries, we can combine the best of all of those to serve our customers to design their smart vision system.
Right. And Patrice, as you know, there are so many changes, rapid changes today in the automotive industry. And with change comes challenges. So, Patrice, let's talk a little bit about what are the challenges in the market right now? What challenges are your customers facing? And then ultimately, how are you helping them address those changes and challenges?
So to answer to this question, we need to step back in the past, I would say 20 years ago, right? Okay. So since 20 years, the camera industry was used to design optics, cameras for human vision. So delivering content to human eyes, and the requirement for this type of application are very specific. Humans are skilled to see some defects and also some features. Now the industry is changing. I would say the requirements. We design more and more system for computer vision and machine perception, and the machines see the world on the different way than human. So we need to add. I think one of the biggest challenge now is, okay, take all we learned from the human for camera design and bring that to the computer vision and machine perception. And that's what we do at Immervision. We contribute in this change in the industry. So designing camera system, not only for human, not only also for machine perception, but combining all of those requirements together in an innovative system.
Patrice, you have with Immervision already a strong history, but what is next going forward? What is next for Immervision? What does the future look like for your company?
So basically, it's really regarding what I just mentioned before about this turn from human perception to machine perceptions. We are realizing that the computer has specific requirement to see the world, and we adapt our way to design and deliver solution to our customer considering those requirements. So we have a team of lens designers, camera system engineers, image processing engineers, and machine learning scientists under the same roof in the same line, working together to deliver solutions. So we add the machine learning in the loop of the design to make sure that we deliver the good pixels to our customers.
You have the Innovation Lab. So Patrice, let's talk about that for a minute. So tell us about the Innovation Lab, and then ultimately, how can our viewers contact you to learn more information?
So we create this lab because we realize that our customer need a team, high-skilled team to complement their expertise in-house. So we don't have the pretension to replace the team in place. Our customers are very high-skilled in what they do. What we want to do with the Innovation Lab is first bringing experts, complementing their team and helping them to design and solve the problem that they have on the day-to-day, like in machine perception and camera design. Plus, we have this strong history of innovation. So we were always in front of the curves, bringing innovation in cameras for different industries. So with the Innovation Lab, we want to bring innovation to our customers. So we bring those two parts, so innovation and also the lab with the experts. So that's why we call that Innovation Lab.
Right. So Patrice, when you have things like the Innovation Lab and you have, your experience in automotive and then in aerospace and in mobile phones, are there, Patrice, in your experience? So I'm here in the United States, but a lot of our attendees come from all over the world for AutoSens. We're in Brussels, we're in Detroit. Is there, Patrice, have you seen, are there differences in requirements for, say, the European market or the Asian market or the North American market? Are there differences when it comes to designing these systems? And if so, what's your insight on that? And how does Immervision take into account all those different areas of the world?
I think so first, regarding the world coverage, we have a team which is, I would say, with worldwide experts. So we have a PhD from Asia, we have PhD from North America, from Europe. So in the lab, in the team, we have all those nationalities. So that gives us an edge in the understanding of what is the culture and how the culture influence the requirements, and make our customer comfortable to work with us because they can find somebody that understands them very well on different aspects. Now, regarding the difference in requirements, what we do, and I think this is unique of the Innovation Lab, is we like to understand not the requirement, but more the pain point or what is the application. So what the camera should capture and what is the machine perception algorithm need to see, to detect, to make sure that the machine perception will do what it's supposed to do. So we take those high-level requirements, and now from that, it is our job to cut all those requirements in different subsystem parts and design all those different subsystem parts to deliver accurate pixels to make sure that the machine perception algorithm work perfectly.
Patrice, from all of us here at AutoSens, we want to thank you for your time and your thought leadership today and sharing your experience and your expertise with us. I look forward to seeing you in Detroit and in Brussels. I'll look forward to seeing you at some point here down the road in person instead of virtually. And I want to encourage, in the meantime, all of our viewers to have a look at the Emervision Innovation Lab and connect with the company by visiting their website. Patrice, thank you for your time today. It was good to see you and get caught up again.
Thank you, Carl. Likewise. And I will be in Detroit. I will be in Brussels. So I'm looking forward to meet you face to face.
For more interviews like this, subscribe to the AutoSens YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter. For more information on our world-class events and technical training, visit auto-sense.com. That's auto-sense.com. In Detroit, on behalf of AutoSens with Patrice Roulet from Immervision, I'm Carl Anthony.